Get ready for a high-octane dose of electrifying news. We're diving headfirst into NIO's massive equity offering. Then, we're exploring how Ukraine's Naval Institute is defying wartime odds. We've also got the latest on NIO's strategic share issuance and breaking stock movements. And so much more that's shaping the future of tech and global events. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. NIO Inc. is making waves with a massive equity offering poised to supercharge its technological advancements. This isn't just any funding round. NIO Inc. is proposing to issue up to 181,818,190 Class A ordinary shares, including American depository shares. The significant capital raised is earmarked for critical investments in research and development of core technologies, a strategic expansion of their innovative battery swapping and charging networks, and general corporate enhancements. This bold move is designed to solidify NIO's competitive edge and propel its technological capabilities to new heights, promising a significant impact on the electric vehicle landscape and its stakeholders. NIO Inc., a pioneer since its 2014 founding, is renowned for its premium NIO brand, family-oriented ONVO, and the upcoming Firefly high-end small cars, all underpinned by a deep commitment to innovation and sustainability. The market is buzzing about this strategic financial maneuver, with analysts watching closely to see how this infusion of capital will accelerate NIO's ambitious roadmap and further cement its position as a global leader in smart electric vehicles. But that's not all the groundbreaking news we have today. Get ready to be inspired by the incredible resilience of Ukraine's Naval Institute. Next. In a display of incredible resilience, Ukraine's Naval Institute is not just surviving, but thriving amidst the ongoing conflict. Even as air raid sirens become a backdrop to daily life in Odessa, cadets at the Naval Institute of the National Defense University of Ukraine are diligently practicing repairs on offshore unmanned systems, while instructors continue to teach vital shipboard navigation and communications. This remarkable contrast highlights a profound paradox. Education and institutional strength are flourishing even on a battlefield. Russia's 2022 invasion forced a global reevaluation of military education, and NIO has emerged as a beacon of wartime adaptation, reinforcing its pre-war standards through a three-pillar approach: successful training system reform, maintaining peacetime standards under martial law, and demonstrable improvements in officer training quality. Having relocated from Sevastopol to Odessa after Crimea's annexation, the Institute has faced repeated missile strikes on its maritime infrastructure since 2022. Yet, NIO has implemented robust contingency protocols to ensure operations continue seamlessly. Contrary to the notion that wartime demands rapid officer production, NIO emphasizes quality over quantity, with Navy Captain Pavlo Rudd stating, "Better 5 expertly trained officers than 20 inadequately prepared ones." The Institute maintains its annual intake close to pre-war levels, prioritizing the development of highly competent officers, with intake capacities for various bachelor's and master's degree programs, as well as professional military education courses. A significant drop in cadet attrition rates, from over 50% pre-2017 to below 15% post-2017, is attributed to a 2017 structural reform that shifted to dedicated military specialties and combat-focused curricula, ensuring graduates are well aligned with Ukraine's defense needs. The Institute's commitment to practical training remains unbroken, with cadets participating in mine countermeasure operations, diving missions, and submarine evacuation drills, alongside warfare workshops and wargaming with Ukrainian Navy and NATO allies. With a planned 2025 expansion focusing on advanced naval technologies like unmanned systems and new departments in areas such as robotics and coastal missile armament, NIO is actively shaping the future of modern naval warfare. Commandant Navy Captain Maxim Kyriakidis encapsulates their success. "Every cadet who graduates without a single standard lowered embodies our success. That's how we counter Russian ambitions with unwavering excellence." Their dedication is truly awe-inspiring. But will NIO's latest financial moves pay off? We've got the details next. NIO Inc. is making a significant strategic move to bolster its finances by issuing new shares, a decision that has sent ripples through its stock value. This electric vehicle giant announced its intention to issue up to 181,818,190 Class A ordinary shares, including American depositary shares, with the exact allocation between the two determined by investor demand. Underwriters have been granted an option to purchase an additional 27,272,729 ADSs, potentially raising the total offering to over $1.27 billion based on NIO's previous closing price. The raised capital is designated for crucial investments in research and development of core EV technologies, the creation of future technology platforms and vehicle models, the expansion of its vital battery swap and charging infrastructure, strengthening its balance sheet, and general corporate needs. Following this announcement, NIO shares experienced a notable dip in pre-market trading, declining by approximately 10%. This funding initiative comes at a critical juncture, as NIO stock has seen a substantial surge in recent months, fueled by optimism surrounding the launch of its sub-brand Onvo's L90 SUV and positive pre-sales for the NIO ES8 SUV. Despite these positive market signals, the company remains focused on achieving its first quarterly profit in the fourth quarter, having reported a reduced net loss in its second quarter unaudited financial results. NIO's leadership anticipates potential industry-wide growth pressures in early next year due to the phasing out of national stimulus policies in China. This strategic share issuance underscores NIO's commitment to long-term technological leadership and network expansion, even as it navigates the competitive EV market and aims for profitability. It's a bold strategy in a dynamic market. And speaking of market movers, find out which stocks are making the biggest headlines today. Wednesday's stock market is a whirlwind of activity, with several major players making significant moves. As pre-market trading kicks off with mixed performance ahead of crucial inflation data releases, investors are keenly watching key companies. Among the biggest stock movers highlighted are Oracle, ORCL, Synopsys, SNPS, and NIO, each capturing investor attention for different reasons. These fluctuations are setting the stage for a day of dynamic trading, as market participants digest economic indicators and company-specific news. This snapshot of Wednesday's trading landscape provides a glimpse into the forces shaping the market, from technological giants to electric vehicle innovators. Investors are advised to stay informed about these pivotal movements as the trading day unfolds. These market shifts are certainly worth tracking. We've covered a lot of ground today, but we're not done yet. Stay tuned for our rapid-fire recap and your chance to win. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying news. We saw NIO Inc. launching a massive equity offering to fuel future tech, Ukraine's Naval Institute demonstrating incredible resilience and innovation in wartime, and breaking down the biggest stock movers like Oracle, Synopsys, and NIO. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this update valuable. Subscribe to ElectroDrive News for more cutting-edge content, and ring that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Let us know your thoughts on these stories in the comments below, and make sure to follow us on all social media platforms for real-time updates. We'll see you in the next one.